want you. I love it. I tremble for you. I just tremble.
Hi, Stanley.
Well, if you're trembling, if you insist on trembling. May I speak plainly?
Yes, do. Go ahead. As plainly as you want to.
Well, if you'll forgive me, he's coming.
Yes. Suppose he is.
Suppose? Surely you can't have forgotten that much of our upbringing, Stella, that you just suppose there's any part of a gentleman in his nature. Oh, you're hating me saying this, aren't you?
Oh, I didn't say it all, Blanche.
He's like an animal. Has an animal's habits. There's even something subhuman about him. Thousands of years have passed him right by, and there he is, Stanley Kowalski, survivor of the Stone Age, bearing the raw meat home from the kill in the jungle, and you here waiting for him. Maybe he'll strike you, or maybe grunt and kiss you. That's if kisses have been discovered yet. His poker night, you call it. This party of apes. Maybe we are a long way from being made in God's image. But Stella, my sister, there's been some progress since then. Such things as art, as poetry, as music. In some kinds of people, some tenderer feelings have had some little beginning that we have got to make grow and cling to and hold as our flag in this dark march toward whatever it is we're approaching. Don't hang back with the brutes.
Hey, Sal. Hey, Sal.